Hi guys, it's working out naman after madapa. So a lot of people recently are asking me why do I keep on working out or bakit ko naisipang mag-ayos ng lifestyle. Napapagod lang din naman daw ako doing workouts. Nakakagutom lang daw itong ginagawa ko. So waste of time daw, dapat focus na lang daw ako as a mom. And you know what? That's exactly one of the reasons why I keep on working out. Because I'm a mom. And you'll never understand my deeper reasons on my answer if you're not one. Here's another reason na baka sakaling mas maunawaan na ninyo. I want to live longer to see my daughters grow and be successful. And to take care of mama just like nang laging bilin sa amin ni Papa. And madami pang reasons. And to be honest, I want other people to be inspired na they can be the better versions of themselves pa din. It's not too late. Magsimula ka na now. Samahan kita. One bonus reason is this. Here, I want my body to give others a little confusion on what my real age is. So ikaw, kailan mo sisimulan maging better version of yourself?